Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are again back with the most demanded restocked collection of borderless soft silk sarees. All over the body of these collections are having beautiful and unique putta design along with a contrast or running rich pallu and plain blouse. All these beautiful collections you are getting in a manufacturing price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Our payment mode is through online only, and please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. As these are fast moving collection and finishing within hours, do confirm your order quickly. And Bonadia thanks all of you for giving such a wonderful support. For instant update, you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.